Genie. Remote Raid is an Android application designed to enhance the experience of Pokemon Go players by providing tools for participating in remote raids. This app allows users to join forces with other trainers around the world, making it easier to tackle difficult raid battles, even when players are not physically together. One of the key features of Genie is its user-friendly interface, which enables players to find active raids and connect with other trainers quickly. The app often includes real-time updates on raid availability and provides strategies for effectively defeating raid bosses, along with information on optimal team compositions and counters. Additionally, Genie may offer features like IV, individual values calculators, to help players evaluate their Pokemon's potential and performance. With its focus on collaboration and enhancing the Pokemon Go experience, Genie Remote Raid is an invaluable tool for trainers looking to make the most of their gameplay, especially in the modern context of remote raiding.